Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will guide you through the process of approving an unapproved sales order in Logic ERP. Let's get started. First, we will review the unapproved sales order. As you can see, we have created an unapproved sales order containing two different items with a quantity of 10 units each. Now, let's proceed with approving this unapproved sales order. To do this, head to the Approve Unapproved Sale Orders module. Select the relevant unapproved sale order from the list and click on Refresh. The details of the unapproved sales order header are displayed on the screen. Next, go to the Sale Order Item Details section. The unapproved sales order item details are displayed here. Now, enter the quantity to be approved for each item in Approved Quantity column, and you can also add relevant remarks in the New Remarks column. As shown, we have approved 5 quantities for the first item and the full quantity for the second item. Additionally, within the same screen, you can access the relevant party ledger by pressing the F3 key. You can also zoom in on the ledger by clicking on the relevant document you wish to view. You can also press the F4 key to view the party dues report. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the approval process. The sale order has been successfully approved and now it will be available in the Sale Order module. Let's verify the same in the Sale Order module. As you can see, the approved sale order bill is now reflected here with all the relevant details, including the approved quantities and the corresponding remarks. This confirms that the approval process has been completed successfully. Now, let's return to the Approve Unapproved Sales Order module and open the relevant unapproved sales order document. As you can observe, the items that have already been approved are no longer displayed here. Only the pending item quantity awaiting approval is currently reflected. Now, let's also approve the remaining quantity and then review the updated details in the Sales Order module. As observed, a new sales order has been generated for the approved sales order. It also accurately reflects the approved item, along with the corresponding quantity and all relevant details.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.